Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you viewers? I hope you all are fine and good. Today the topic of my video is Supriya Pilgaonkar. Is an Indian actress and producer known for her work in Marathi films and Hindi television in a career spanning over 4 decades. Over the years, she has established herself as versatile performer with acclaimed roles in both comedic and dramatic formats, earning numerous awards including a Maharashtra State Film Award, a Filmfare Award Marathi, 3 Indian Television Academy Awards, and 2 Indian Telly Awards. Born Supriya Subnis, 16th August 1967, Bombay, Maharashtra, India. Occupation actress, producer. Years active 1983 to present. Spouse में Sachin Pilgaonkar. Married 1985. Children Shreya Pilgaonkar, daughter. Father Arun Subnis. Born into a cultural rich family, she began her career as a theatre artist and gained early recognition with her debut in the Marathi film Navri Mili Navriala 1984. She is also known for her long-standing collaboration with her husband, actor-director Sachin, in acclaimed projects, namely Ashi Hi Banwa Baniwa and Maze Pati Karo Dipatti 1988. Pilgaonkar gained nationwide fame with the sitcom Tu Tu Main 1994 to 2000, where her portrayal of a witty daughter-in-law became iconic in Indian television history. She went on to deliver acclaimed performances in shows such as Susral Genda Pool 2010 to 2012, कुछ रंग प्यार के ऐसे भी 2016 to 2017, and Home 2018, the latter earning her an ITA award for her web debut. In addition to her television success, she has acted in popular Hindi films such as Awara Pagal Deewana 2002, Tujhe Meri Kasam 2003, Etbar 2004, and Suraj Pe Mangal Bhari 2020. Among her notable Marathi film roles are Amhi Set Poot 2008, Navra Maza Nav Sacha 2004, and its sequel Navra Maza Nav Sacha 2 2024, the first of which earned her the Maharashtra Cha Favorite Con Award. She married Sachin Pilgaonkar in 1985, and together they won the first season of Nach Baliye One. Their daughter Shreya Pilgaonkar is also an actress active in films and on digital platforms. Early life. Pilgaonkar was born as Supriya Subnis on 16th August 1967 into a Marathi family in Bombay, now Bombay, Maharashtra. She completed her schooling at Paranjipi Vidyala. During her school and college years, she actively participated in theatre and elocution competitions, laying the foundation for her future career in the performing arts. Career. Early career in theatre and films 1983 to 1993. Pilgaonkar made her foray into acting through theatre during her school years. Her first major commercial stage performance was in the Marathi play Matra Aryaka by Garka in mid 1980. Around the same time, she was noticed by actor-director Sachin through her performance on the television show Kill Bill. Impressed by her performance, he cast her in her second directorial venture Navri Mile Navriala 1984, which also marked her film debut. At the time, Supriya was still in college and her parents were initially reluctant to allow her to act in films. However, they eventually supported her decision to pursue the opportunity. In the film, Supriya portrayed a witty and resourceful maid, Navri Mili Navriala, was commercial success and played a key role in establishing Supriya as a promising new actress, while also contributing to Sachin Pilgaonkar recognition as a director. Her performance in the film earned her the Best Actress Award at the Filmfare Marathi. After a 4-year hiatus, Pilgaonkar returned to the screen in 1988 with two films, both directed by and co-starring Sachin. In the comedy Maza Patti Karo Dipatti, she portrayed a clever young woman who, driven by her dream of marrying a millionaire, disguises herself as a widow to win over a wealthy family through wit and theatrics. Her performance was widely appreciated and earned her Maharashtra State Film Award for Best Actress. Her next release that year was the ensemble comedy Ashi Hi Banwa Banvi, produced by V. Shantaram Production. In the film, she played a bubbly and strong headed young woman standing alongside Ashok Saraf, Lakshmikant Bird, Siddharth Rai, Ashwini Bhau, and Nivedita Joshi and Priya Arun. Both films were well received, with his Ashi Hi Banwa Banvi becoming a major box office success. It grossed approximately 3 crore worldwide, making it the highest grossing Marathi film of its time and has since achieved its cult status. In 1991, she appeared in the musical comedy Ayatya Gharat Garoba, a Marathi remake of the 1972 Hindi film Dil Daulat Duniya. It is widely regarded as one of the most entertaining films in Marathi cinema, praised for its humor, music, and ensemble performances. The following year, she starred in Chor Chor, directed by Ramesh Dio, marking her first film not directed by Sachin. That same year, she made her television debut with the 13-episode series Kishti Ye Nahi, which aired on DD National. She played the lead role of a young widow living with her daughter and father-in-law who gradually find love in her neighbor, starring alongside Tushar Dalvi, Vikram Gokhale, and Rajit Kapoor. Rise to television fame and supporting roles in films 1994 to 2000. Pilgaonkar portrayed a widowed nurse who marries a doctor only to experience emotional upheaval when her pursued dead husband reappears as a patient in the 1994 family drama Kanku opposite Ajinkya Dio. The film received a moderate response at the box office. Also in that year, she gained widespread recognition on television with sitcom Tu Tu Me, directed by Sachin, which humorously explored the love-hate relationship between daughter-in-law and her mother-in-law. Supriya played the daughter-in-law opposite Reema Lagu, who portrayed the mother-in-law. The show was a major success, running from 1994 to 2000, becoming one of the most iconic Hindi television comedies of its time, and earned Pilgaonkar the Best Actress in a Comic Role award at the Indian Television Academy Awards, along with a nomination for the Indian Telly Award in the same category in 2002. Following the success of Tu Tu Me, she continued to play leading roles in various television shows across genres. In 1996, she appeared in the murder mystery series Mumkin and later starred in the comedy mystery Kabhi Biwi Kabhi Jasoos 2002 to 2003. Portraying a wife who also works as a detective. In 2002, she appeared in Vikram Bhatt's Hindi film Avara Pagal Deewana, playing the role of greedy wife to Parish Rawal and mother to Amrita Arora. While the film received mixed reviews, her performance was appreciated, with Taran Adarsh of Bollywood Hangama calling it first rate. Subsequently, in 2003, she played a maid who acts as a cupid between the lead characters played by Ritesh Deshmukh and Genelia D'Souza in the romantic drama Tujhe Meri Kasam. In 2024, she reunited with Bhatt for the romantic psychological thriller Etebar, where she played the life of Amitabh Bachchan in a story centered on a teenage girl who falls in love with a psychopath. While the film, notable for being the only production backed by Ratan Tata, was a commercial failure despite its high profile cast, some critics noted that Pilgaonkar appeared too young to convincingly portray Bipasha Basu mother. Furthermore, she played the lead in the Marathi slapstick comedy Navya Maza Nav Sacha, an ensemble film about the challenges faced by a couple during a bus journey from Mumbai to Ganpati Pool to fulfill a religious vow. Inspired by the 1972 Hindi film Bombay to Goa, it earned both critical acclaim and commercial success, grossing around 5 crore and becoming one of the highest grossing Marathi films of 2004, while later achieving cult classic status. From 2006 to 2007, she played the lead in her home production sitcom Tu Tuta Main Maina. And in the same year, reunited with Rima Lagu for Kadvi Khatti Meethi. 2006, a spiritual sequel to Tu Tu Main, in which she reprised a similar daughter-in-law role. The next year, took on supporting roles in several Hindi films, including Barsat, Deewane Hue, Pagal, and Bluff Master. However, her performance went largely unnoticed. Her next Marathi release was the comedy drama Amphi Satput, in which she played a compassionate woman who brings order and warmth to a chaotic household during discipline, care, and unwavering determination. Her performance earned her the Favorite Actress Award at the inaugural Maharashtra Favorite Con Award, as well as the Favorite Jodi Award at the same ceremony. Around the same time, she also played the title role in the daily soap Radha Ki Betiyan Kuch Kar Ke Dikhayengi, which aired on Imagine TV and was produced by DJ Creative Unit. The show ran for a year and featured her a strong matriarch, guiding her daughters towards success. Acclaimed roles in television 2010 to 2018. Between 2010 and 2012, Pilgaonkar played the role of Badi Ma in the popular Star Plus drama Susral Genda Phool alongside Jay Soni and Ragini Khanna. She portrayed a woman who is abandoned by her husband and raises her children with resilience and grace. The show was one of highest rated series during its run, and her performance received critical acclaim for her work. She won several accolades, including the Indian Television Academy Award, Indian Telly Award, and Lions Gold Award in the Best Supporting Actress category, along with 2-star Parivar Awards for Favorite Saas. In 2013, she featured in the Marathi film Ekulti Ek, a drama centered on the relationship between father and his daughter. The film was directed and produced by Sachin and also marked the acting debut of their daughter Shriya Pilgaonkar. Ekulti Ek was well received by critics, with Ullas Shirki of Marathi movie world noting it's Supriya Pilgaonkar in those limited scenes to her share, who invites all the attention. She is simply superb. In the radio interview session, the film performed moderately at the box office and she earned a Maharashtra Favorite Con Award nomination for Favorite Supporting Actress for her performance. Pilgaonkar portrayal of a single possessive mother in the romantic drama television series Kuch Rang Pyar Ke Aise Bhi was widely praised by both audience and critics. Although the show did not consequently top television rating chart, it was well received online for its mature storytelling and nuanced performance. For her role, she won a Lion Gold Award and earned nomination at both the Indian Television Awards and the Gold Awards. Around this time, she appeared in the series of a notable Hindi films including Raj and DK action comedy A Gentleman 2017, Yashraj film comedy drama Hichki 2018, and Shri Narayan Singh's social drama Batti Gul Meter Chalu 2018. That same year, she made her web series debut with Home and ALT Balaji production that revolved around the emotional bond of a middle-class family and her legal battle against a corrupt system that forces them to vacate their home. Her performance received widespread acclaim. Sumyu Rao of Scroll in wrote, Pilgaonkar especially is in top form and some heartwarming moments, most of them stemming from the Sethi family dynamic. A reviewer from the Quint praised her performance, stating Pilgaonkar steals the show. She perfectly fits into the role of the brave and resolute woman that his family needs in their time of financial hardship and emotional turmoil. For her role in Home, she won the Indian Television Award, Academy Award for Best Actress jury in a web series. Recent work and Navra Maza Nav Sacha to 2019 to present. Next, Pilgaonkar appeared in the satirical comedy film Suraj Pe Mangal Bhari 2020 directed by Abhishek Sharma, where she played the mother of characters portrayed by Manoj Bajpayee and Fatma Sana Sheikh. Despite being close in age to Bajpayee in real life, Nairata Mukherjee of Indian Today remarked Pilgaonkar as Madhu and Tulsi mother is astounding, especially when she taunts her aging son about Budhappa, which is just 2 years away for him anyway. The film was released with only 50% occupancy due to the COVID-19 pandemic in India. In 2021, she played a no nonsense judge at the Bombay High Court in the sports drama Rashmi Rocket. Ronak Koteka of the Times of India wrote Pilgaonkar is believable as the judge. The film had a direct to digital release on Z5. Later that year, she reprised two of her most popular television roles, Ishwari in Kuch Rang Pyar Ke Aise Bhi Nayi Kahani, the third season of the romantic drama series, and Badi Ma in the second season of Susral Genda Phool, which aired on Star Bharat. For the performer, she won her second Indian Telly Award for Best Actress in a Supporting Role. In 2024, she starred in the sequel to 2024 hit Navra Maza Nav Sacha. Reprising her role alongside the original cast went the audition of Swapnil Joshi and Himal Ingal. While the film did not receive the same critical acclaim as its predecessor, the performances were appreciated. Mahir Bahenj of the Times of India noted Supriya has a great screen presence. Despite mixed reviews, the film was commercial success, grossing approximately 25 crore worldwide and becoming the highest grossing Marathi film of the year. Pilgaonkar married fellow actor director Sachin. Personal life. Pilgaonkar married fellow actor-director Sachin Pilgaonkar in December 1985 after they meet on the set of her debut film Navri Mila Navriyala. In 1984, in 2005, the couple participated in and won the inaugural season of the celebrity dance reality show Nach Baliye. They have one daughter, Shriya Pilgaonkar, who is also an actress and has worked in films, television, and digital platforms. I hope you will like my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much.